Can I show you my amazing thrifted tree that I got way back in 2008 for my very first Christmas in Berlin, Germany? And it actually cost me €8. I distinctly remember that. Now, if you're a Gen X like me, your tree probably looks quite similar and is full of these wonderful little handmade ornaments and thrifted ornaments like, look at this little peanut Santa. Did anybody else make one of these way back in the late 70s when you were in grade 1 or 2 like me? This is one of the few things that actually came with me on all of my world living adventures. But enough about my tree. We are here to see, no, not that amazing handmade ornament, but this, my latest book, and it is of course an upcycled gift guide. Halli hallo! I'm Refashionista Sheri, and I am absolutely thrilled to finally be able to share my latest book baby with you, the Upcycled Gift Guide. I have packed so many budget and eco-friendly tips and tricks in here to help you finish off your list in sustainable style without spending very much money or actually no money at all. There are thrifty gifts in here. There's gifts from around your house. Of course, there's DIY upcycled gift ideas and tutorials, over 50 of them, in fact, as well as beauty gifts that you can give and upcycled wrapping from your recycling bin, as well as loads of festive tips and tricks for the holiday season or anytime you want to give a gift, actually. So you know what? Let's just take a look inside.
In this guide, you'll discover over 50 terrific tutorials for creating holiday magic. We're talking thrifted presents, no-sew DIY gifts to suit everyone on your list, upcycled wrapping ideas, and even more festive and creative play tips and tricks to make the season extra special.
My upcycled gift guide is available right now on Amazon. So that means if you're a Prime member, you can get it in no time flat and start making right away and create those amazing gifts that are as unique, sustainable, and unforgettable as you are, with absolutely no skills or budget required.
Imagine transforming a shrunken sweater into a cozy set with absolutely no sewing at all, or creating a luxurious lip balm gift using items you may already have in your kitchen. And don't forget those wow factor gift wrappings from items that were headed to the recycling bin.
So what are you waiting for? Go grab your copy of my upcycled gift guide and create a sustainably eco-friendly, budget-friendly, memorable holiday season. And please do remember to tag me, Refashionista Sheri, if you share any of your upcycled DIY gifts, because I love seeing your interpretations of my tutorials. It gives me the biggest warm fuzzies.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.